A camouflaged, circular, hinged trapdoor made by Trapdoor spider, built using compact soil and leaf litter. A researcher delicately attaches a micro camera onto the spider's body. This spider waits just beneath the closed trapdoor, and she can sense any faintly vibration from surface movement. Trapdoor spider waits under a camouflaged, circular, hinged trapdoor. A nighttime micro-camera scene.
Trapdoor rapidly bursts through the trapdoor to ambush a housefly standing near her entrance. During rainfall, moisture seeps through the soil ceiling above the burrow, droplets forming along silk-lined surfaces. Trapdoor repairs the door hinge of the closed trapdoor and lays strands of silk acting as sensory trip lines from her spinnerets. She attacks another species of spider. She allows another adult trapdoor spider of opposite sex into her tunnel during breeding season.